So, it's very important to find the solution to this problem. It's also very important to describe our situation to our customers. And Paul, please inform Mr. Saheen immediately that it's very important. So, there you are, with a lot of situations in business that we can describe as very important. But did you know that there are other ways to say very important, and that is what I'm going to teach you in this lesson. So welcome back to Let's Speak English, and I'm Lalita with another interesting lesson to enhance your business vocabulary. So let's look at 5 adjectives that are often used to describe something very important. Then we'll look at 4 adverbs that we can use with important words. And thereafter we'll look at some advanced options for formal usage, which mean very important. Let's get started. But before we go look at those words, a quick reminder for you to subscribe to my channel Let's Speak English. That way you will get notified every time I upload a new lesson. Now let's get started. Let's start with adjectives, and the first one is crucial. Crucial. It's not crucial, it's crucial. Example: Claudia's work has been crucial to the success of the project. That's how we use this adjective. Coming up next is vital. An example: it's vital that we explain the situation to our customers immediately. Vital. Another way of saying this is essential. Listen to the pronunciation. It is not essential, it is essential. Example: having loyal and motivated employees is essential if you want to have a successful business. Moving on, the next adjective is key. How do we use this in a sentence? The key factor in our success is the innovation or innovative design of our products. That's how we use this adjective key. Our next adjective is fundamental. Fundamental. Limiting our input on the environment is a fundamental part of our business and something we all take very seriously. Limiting our impact is very fundamental. So fundamental, that's how we use that adjective. Moving on, let's look at some adverbs now. 4 adverbs. So we can use these words together with important. The first one is extremely. For example, it's extremely important that we find a solution to this problem as soon as possible. Next adverb we have is particularly. Please inform Mr. Saheen about the situation immediately. That's particularly important. Next adverb is vitally. For example, the CEO of the company says it's vitally important that all our employees are informed about the new company strategy. That's how we use vitally in the sentence. Next up, we have crucially. Now, example: this new partnership is crucially important to the future of the company. Crucially important. And now we look at some more advanced and formal ways to describe something that's very important or of utmost importance. The safety of our employees is of the utmost importance. the utmost importance. Next one is imperative. How do we use this in a sentence? Like this. It is imperative that we build trust with the customers by listening to them and meeting their needs. Imperative. The next one is paramount. Pay attention to the pronunciation. It's not paramount as in the spelling, but it is paramount. Paramount. We have a lot of priority at the moment, but reducing cost is paramount. Paramount. That brings us to the end of another short lesson, and I hope you have found that helpful. If you like this lesson, do not forget to hit that like button, and also do not forget to share it with your friends and your colleagues. Do not forget to subscribe it as well.